A warehouse robot just learned to climb. 10 seconds up a rack 5 stories tall, and it pulls the box down itself. Made in China and already shipping to Europe. This used to be a person's job. On an order picker truck, a worker rides a small platform up several meters. No cage, open air below, leaning in to reach the box at the back of the rack. Can't reach it. Up another notch. It isn't the fatigue. It's doing that hundreds of times a shift, betting you don't slip, don't miss a step. In a warehouse, it's one of the jobs nobody wants. Now a climbing robot takes it. It goes where people didn't dare to reach. Climbing was never the hard part. A rack isn't a wall, it flexes, it sways. The robot has to align, grab, and never drop a box meters up on a moving structure. Stable, precise, safe. Miss one and it stays on the ground. That's why, for years, this stayed a job for a human to risk. But the sharpest part isn't the climb. High bay storage is slow. Not because any one machine is slow, but because of the handoffs between them. Ground shuttle to lift, lift to rack shuttle. Every handoff is a cue and a failure point, and the awkward gap still fell to a person to climb up and fix. This one robot does the whole chain: ground, climb, pick, and cuts the handoffs out, and pulls the person out of the most dangerous gap. Here's the part that matters globally. K-Niao has already sold the whole automated warehouse. Not one machine, the system, to a site next to the port of Rotterdam. 26,000 square meters, a 10-year lease, over 100 of these robots. And the real tension right now isn't demand. It's that they can't build them fast enough. The old fixed-track shuttles haven't lost. They still move more volume. But this climbing robot has pried open a crack in how a warehouse gets built. So what's worth watching isn't that it climbs. It's that the high, risky jobs nobody wanted are being taken, one notch at a time. Do you say finally, or does it make you uneasy that what gets taken next won't stop at these? Tell me where you land.